Bam! Hello, everybody. Okay, I might be a little bit late on the bam, but who cares? Bam! Everybody, hello. I haven't seen you guys in a while, and I'm probably gonna release some videos because, I don't have Geometry Dash anymore because I got very bored of it, and I barely play. I'm gonna get a new tablet, so I'm probably gonna get off this account, but I'm gonna go make a new account. So, guys, go check out that account. I'll go tell you what it is when I get it, because I'm still gonna have this tablet. I might do a board smashing video, which I smashed this tablet in 50 ways. But anyways, let's get back onto the thing. Okay, now you might hear me a little bit more clear. So, why are we doing Subway Surfers? I thought that. Okay, are we doing this? Okay, who cares? Let's go. I haven't played this game in a while, actually. Like, in probably a few weeks. Or a few days, actually, yeah. Not really. Like, probably 2 weeks, actually. I only get, what's it called again? I forget what it's called, but okay, get that. Please don't. Okay, 500 coins. No, hell no. Do I even have internet on? Oh, I do. I should turn it off. I don't know. This video is gonna be very laggy. I can tell why. Something weird. When you have a screen that's probably cracked and you make a video, the screen isn't cracked. Well, of course, they're just showing the game screen. Like, they're showing the screen, not like the actual whole thing itself. So yeah, that's probably why. But let's get back onto this game. Well, you're already on this game, so I am. Maybe you guys are too. Maybe you guys have a tablet and watching TV at the same time. Well, my TV's paused right now because I want to make this video. I want to complete a whole word hunt in just one round. See if I can do it. It's probably going to be easy. Why is this showing that stuff? Like on if you look at my high score, it says like I'm only down to like 7,000. Oh, 6,000. Oh, that was a mistake what I did. Okay, I completed a word hunt. That was easy. Oh, in one round. Okay. Wow, calm down. The quests. Let's see if I can even edit on this video. Well, if I be able to, let's see. I didn't even need 122 more. Are these people mocking me? The creators. Oh, another one. 1 out of 500. Well, 9 out of 500 so far now. This game just gives me the nerves. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go on shop. Let's buy some of this. Okay, I'm not doing that word force. It kind of hurts. Please be a lot. Please be a lot. I really want the character. I want to double it up, so I don't care. I'm just gonna buy some. So I just got 500 coins. Okay. I didn't waste. It's like I didn't waste any coins. Okay, 2 hoverboards. That's not worth it. I can get 2 hoverboards. Actually, that's worth it. It's a better deal, actually. This game is mocking me. This game is mocking me. No. Oh, come on, how much? I don't like this game. I only have the collect 22 more. Okay, I don't care. Goofy stuff. You don't watch ads on videos, okay? I'll be right back. So I just okay. So I messed up with my voice right there. So I just turned off my internet because I didn't want to get ads on this video. Not actual ads on like the game for this video. You know. I don't even. Please, is this like? If they demonetize, if you demonetize my channel, just please, I don't. Someone said in my school I should demonetize my own channel. I can't do that. Well, can I? Actually, probably not. So if YouTube's even thinking about that, don't, because I'm talking about it. And if the YouTube creator watches this video, I may be screwed. Okay, who cares about that right now? Okay, I just want to speed things up because this is getting too long. Okay, that is not my high score. It's showing on the top run, right in front, right on the bottom of like the face icon. That is my high score. And I'm going down. That is not my high score. My high score is over 144,000. Okay. Oh, sure, I can show you guys proof. Or you probably already seen it, but yeah, who cares? I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but probably like 10 minutes. So yeah, let's get on to it. I'm gonna do this voice for a whole minute. Starting what? Just wait, guys. Right when it hits 6 minutes, or not for, probably not for the video. I don't know. What the hell? Oh, I'm beating people's runs. I'm beating people's high scores right now. Okay, now I got it. Okay. Oh, oops, I'm mistaken there. I accidentally passed it. The 6 minutes or the 7 minutes. I don't know how much it was. I don't know. Who cares? I want to get that, but I don't want to risk it. So yeah, I'm not gonna risk. Because I gotta pass this guy's run. And I just passed it. Oh God. Holy cow. Oh, these people are mocking me. Why do you have to do this to me? Subway Surfer creators. What? Is it 9? Okay, now I'm getting this voice for a minute. Or maybe longer or less. My voice is already hurting me. I'm just not going to talk for a minute. Because that's actually a good deal. Okay, why is it not even showing my real high score? That's not my high score. Wait, but that was my last high score. So is there an update now, or is it like an offline update, or is it not an update at all? I still know about it. That every time you go, okay, never mind what I was saying. My voice is hurting. I just want to go to my door. My voice is doing this freak. Okay, this is getting annoying. I'm doing it, even though I didn't pass the time. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna get less views. I really want to get more views. I'm just a kid. Oh no. Oh no. Why did I say that? But you guys probably don't know why I didn't like to say that. I don't know if you guys do, but if you don't, who cares? Don't worry about it in the comments, please. Please. So guys, I'm gonna end this video right when I die, probably. But I thought I saw the magnet. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm going this one. I don't know which one has more coins, but I don't know if they have the same, but I'll go for that one. Let's go over it. Yes, I'm so happy I had the boots right at that time. I'm gonna beat those high scores. Oh man. Or offline, because I haven't never seen it so far. Bye! Okay. This is just... Score booster. Ooh. Oh, look at my house score. Just look on top of my character, on top of the trophy. Me. See, that's my high score. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna. So, yeah, sometimes. So you guys can put in words. So, ooh. I'm almost down to silver. Wait, my high score's supposed to be onto silver. Isn't it? Never mind, it's not. It's supposed to be silver. I used to be on silver. Only one person is on diamond. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 1 million? 1.8 million. Kyron. How? He's a god. And the gold as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1.2 million. God. Okay, no, these people are gods. No, I'm not a god. Oh, God. Oh. Ah, that hurts. Ah, look at that. Ah, that hurts. Sorry, Narendra. Is that who I think it is? Medusa. That's my... It's actually her. No, there's no way. There's no way. Wait, why am I on my home screen? You guys, I'm gonna have to edit something out. But anyways, guys, bye. See you next time.